give your dog to. You can choose to give your dog the shell or don't give the dog the shell. I just put it in there, you know what I'm saying, because the shell do provide have good benefits for the dog. Ready to go, bud? Huh? Ready to go? You ready to go? Hey, front seat not for you. Okay? Say hey, YouTube. Say hey, YouTube. How you doing, YouTube? You want to go on a car ride, huh? How long it been? 2 days? 2 days you ain't been on a car ride? No. Come on, you know. Let me take you a picture. Alright. Hey. Okay, give me that. Give me that. No. I have to clean the car up. Alright, you ready? So we're finna go buy you some breakfast. Hey, car. Everybody, we're gonna go buy you some breakfast. You excited? Yeah? Alright, we're gonna buy you some chicken wings. Yeah. You buy you some chicken feet. Yeah. Sounds good, huh? Some ground beef. Some steak. Yeah, you like steak? That's good. Blue, you like steak? Y'all don't like steak? Huh? Y'all don't like steak? You ready to go? You ready to go? Blue, you ready to go? Alright, let's go. Go. Back. Come on. You already know, come on. I just want to be up here. Come on, Blue. You know when I'm driving, you back down. Come on. Come on. Yeah. When I'm driving, you back down. Alright.
Don't see. No.
Alright, so this your boy Chosen Banks back at it with another video. Welcome back to my fans. Welcome back to the new people. Welcome. Make sure you guys subscribe because we're almost at 100 subscribers and we're trying to hit it before the year ends, and we can do it. I know we can do it. But today it's gonna be a video of how I feed my dog in the morning. So right now I'm heading to the store because she basically ate everything up. We don't got nothing left to give her. So I'm finna show you guys the type of food I choose out for her. Then I'm gonna show you guys her eating it. I'm also gonna show you guys her more because lately I haven't been showing you guys her, and this channel is mainly about her. Blue, say hey YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube. Yeah, so this is Blue right now. So she's like 7 months old right now. She's 7 months old. She's getting big. I have to buy her a new collar because her old collar got too small. So yeah, so right now I'm headed to maybe Walmart.
Blue.
Alright, so you guys, right now we're on the way to Walmart or Save a Lot. Any store that has meat. Right now I'm looking for chicken feet, chicken wings, chicken breast drumsticks, ground beef, steak, any type of meat that I know that my dog will eat. That's what I'm going to go feed her. So as you can see right now, we're still on the road, still on our way. Might be done in maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But when we end there, I'm going to be filming, showing you guys the type of meat to choose. And yeah.
Don't sit on tea.
Alright, so you guys, right now we're on the way to Walmart or Save a Lot. Any store that have meat. Right now I'm looking for chicken feet, chicken wings, chicken breast drumsticks, ground beef, steak, any type of meat that I know that my dog will eat. That's what I'm going to go feed her. So as you can see right now, we're still on the road, still on our way. Might be done in maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But when we end there, I'm going to be filming, showing you guys the type of meat to choose. And yeah. Alright, so you guys, instead of going to Walmart, we decided to go to Sam Club, try to get a better deal. And since we have a membership, we'll be saving more money. And I believe Sam Club give you more bang for your buck. So yeah. So right now we in there. We have to. Hold on, you got my wallet?
No.
Okay, I got my wallet. All right, once we get in there, I'm gonna show you guys the meat. All right, so you guys, we're gonna grab 2 pack of drumsticks for $5, $6. Comes with at least like 14 maybe.
20.
20?
Mm-hmm.
Comes with like 20 in the pack. So with both, it's $12 for like 40. So like I just said in the previous video, we picked up like 2 drumsticks, 2 pack of drumsticks for like $12, and it comes with like 20 in the pack. As you can see, there's like chicken thighs here too. I have gave my dog chicken thighs, but she preferred more drumsticks than chicken thighs. So that's the reason why I do not feed my dog chicken thighs no more. But if your dog prefers chicken thighs, you can always give your dog chicken thighs. It's also good because of the bones in there, and it also has some good benefits too. But my dog prefers chicken drumsticks, so that's what I'm finna give her today. Alright, so you guys, so we just found the ground beef. So it's kind of on the high end, $15, but it's really a good amount of size. So pick out a better one. So you want to pick out something good, something that don't look like it's spoiling or anything like that. So this right here would be good for like dogs that are just starting to eat raw food. So you want to be able to stick it with the other dog food that you feed. Alright, so right now we at $25. So far I don't see the chicken feet, so I'm gonna go take a stop at Walmart, maybe find the chicken feet. But so far they just it for the week. I might come back and add some more, but right now they just it. Alright, what's up everybody? So we back from the store. We got our meats, some of our meats. We ain't got everything yet. She won't just leave me alone. I know she's hungry. She won't just leave me alone. But this is the meats right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I prep the meat and how I storage the meat to make it last longer. Because it's very important to storage the meat right. So I have a few Ziploc bags here. So I'm gonna first thing I do is turn to the ground beef. Get me a Ziploc bag. Basically, you just open it, blow. It's not feeding time yet. And you just basically slide it in. You can slide it in with the whole tray, but I choose just drop it in there. Right? Alright, Blue, you can have this. Alright. So this is how I store my food, my meats. So this is going to go to the refrigerator, to the freezer, after I take my proportion out for the week. So let me go ahead and do the rest. So I'm like it's very important to do this to rotate the food around, because if you keep everything in the freezer and you have to defrost and thaw out the meat every single day, the meat will spoil quicker, and you don't want that. Sometimes it looks fine to you, sometimes you can't notice what's the problem, but the dog can smell what's wrong with the food before you can. So that's why it's very important to transition the food from freezer to fridge. So this right here might last me at least a week. It might last you a week, week and a half, depending on how big your dog, how much you feed your dog, how much your dog eats. It varies, but this usually lasts me at least a week. Sometimes I do add vegetables. Sometimes I do add dog kibbles. Just say for instance, if I'm running out of dog meat and it's not shopping time, I will reduce the amount of meat that I give the dog, give my dog, and feed her some kibbles. Like if I usually give her like 3 drumsticks, I'll probably reduce it to 1 drumsticks and some kibbles. Most likely she ain't gonna really eat the kibbles because she's a raw diet dog. Raw food, raw meat diet dog. So she ain't gonna really eat the kibbles. But sometimes she does. And that helps me balance my spending until it gives me time until, okay, there goes the last bag, until it's time for shopping again. Alright, so they all gonna get their own separate bags, and then I'm gonna get one final bag that might have a few meat combined into it. So that's all you really do. It's basically simple. Like when you feed your dog, it's basically like how would you feed yourself? It's like, you know what I'm saying, if you want your dog to gain weight, you gotta feed your dog. You can't just, okay, I don't know, these meats don't smell that good. I don't know if it, okay, maybe that's how it's supposed to come. You know what I'm saying, you gotta check your dog food now. Alright, so this is the last one. So like I said though, you can't just expect to just feed your dog garbage and just expect your dog to, expect your dog to basically gain weight. You gotta feed your dog proper food, a good proper diet. If you're the type of person that want to add fruits and vegetables, you can. But dogs are not herbivores. That's what it's called, right? Herbivores, animals that eat plants. Well, dogs are not animals that eat plants. So, okay. So, before I go get the other bag, let me just go ahead and prep her food. And also, I have eggs in the kitchen. So, I will crack some eggs into him. So, I'll probably get her 1 drumstick. Since it's still breakfast. Combination of everything. Give her a few chicken feet. Give her like 3 chicken feet, and I'm gonna add the eggs on the side. Guys, give me a moment while I run to the kitchen and grab me an extra bag and the eggs. Put it in the middle so she won't eat it. Good job, Blue. Good job. So I like how calm she is when it comes to the dog food. She's not trying to get into it. So I have 1 egg. You can give your dog 2. You can choose to give your dog the shell or don't give the dog the shell. I just put it in there, you know what I'm saying, because the shell do provide have good benefits for the dog. So, hold on, let me take my phone. Okay, so that's basically it. You know what I'm saying, that is the food. That is a good raw diet. Contains ground beef, drumstick, chicken feet, eggs. Have its proteins. Yeah, all it's missing right now is some vegetables if you're the type of person that feed your dog vegetables. Or kibbles. You can throw kibbles on top. You ain't got to throw a lot. You can throw a little kibbles on top. If you feed your dog vegetables, remember that you have to boil some vegetables. If you feed your dog's carrot, you have to boil the carrot. Because dogs don't digest vegetables and fruits like we do. So you have to boil them and make sure you cook them right. So, I'm finna put my dog in the cage. I don't like feeding my dogs raw food outside of the cage because my dog would just run everywhere with the food. And I don't want that type of mess in the house. So I'm gonna just basically put my dog in the cage. Then give my dog this food, and I'm gonna show you guys that the things that I'm showing you guys, things that I'm telling you to feed your dog, my dog is also eating it too. So I will do it before and after. This is how it looks. Then after my dog is finished eating, I'm gonna show you what she have left over or if she cleaned the bowl. Alright everybody, so it's been a couple hours. It hasn't been an hour really. It has been like 30 minutes, 45 minutes left in her cage. But she was eating. This is what's left. She ain't eat eggs. It's okay. It's okay. So what I want you guys to mainly focus on when you feed your dog raw food is to focus on the type of meat and how it smells. Earlier, if you was watching the footage carefully, I was really smelling the chicken feet to see if it gave a stench, and it did give a stench. And when I first fed Blue the food, she didn't want to eat it because she could smell that stench, and I could smell it too. But I just thought that, okay, that was just how it smelled, but she didn't want to eat it. So what happened was we removed the chicken feet from the food, and she basically busted it down besides the egg, and she normally does that, and that's okay. But be careful with the type of meat that you feed your dogs, because just because you can't smell it, they can smell it and they will not eat it. What's up, buddy? Come on, go outside. Go outside. Go outside. So be careful with the type of meat that you feed your dog, and smell it if you can. You know what I'm saying, trying to see if it's good. See, Walmart have to give me back my money. I'm just playing, but yeah, Walmart sold me some bad meat, and that's okay.